Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the announcement calls in this device. For this, go to settings. So let me show you. For this, go to settings, and at the bottom you can see the option apps and the list of application. You need to select the application phone. Then here you can see the option announce calls. Tap on this one. Then you will get some options: always, headphone plus, and car, headphones only, never. So if you want to enable the announcement every time, then you need to select this option always. If you want to enable the announcement only when you are using headphones and inside the car, then enable this one. So if you want to enable the announcement only when you are using the headphone, then turn on select this one. So if you don't want the announcement, then select the option or never. So here I am going to select the option always, and here you can see always announce incoming calls when second gen. Yeah, it's okay. Now I am going to make a call to this number, then you can hear the announcement. Okay. Now you can hear the announcement, right? So if you want to enable this one, select the option always. So simply in this way you can enable or turn on the announce calls in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.